been acting like a wild man, sleeping like a child. You're so luminous and vibrant, I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom, always in bloom for you.
So I'm at Park City today. Spring conditions. Pretty hot. Snow's nice and soft though, that's how I like it. It's been a pretty good morning so far. It's been a little crowded, but not too terrible bad. I haven't filmed a whole lot. Been trying to work my way to the other side of the mountain and get on some wider runs so I can do more of the snowboarding I like to do. I'm not too big on just bombing down the hill and the crowds. I'd rather try to do some carving or something, just, you know, make it a little more enjoyable. But I'm making my way over. I parked on the canyon side, so it's a pretty good trek over. A lot of hopping the lifts and kind of working your way across to get onto the gondola to get into the other stuff. But over on the other side, there's the Bonanza lift and King Kong. Those are kind of a couple lifts that kind of access some of the wider trails over there. So I'm going to go give those a shot, try to get a little bit of GoPro footage. See how it goes. I think that that's a little more in tune to what I want to do today. So.
always in bloom for an infatuated life. Although it hurts me, I'm always in bloom.
So, I don't know if that shows quite how steep it is, but it's a real pain on a snowboard. So, we'll give it a try. There's a lift right over there. That way, whenever I wipe out, I'll have I'll have a cheering section, let's put it that way. That was a disaster. A couple of times down on my butt. But, a little bit much for my skill level. But you gotta give it a shot every once in a while. so my carving session didn't go very good. I tried to film this a while ago, and I was on cinematic, and it was like really messing with my. I was like right up on the camera. Hopefully this is further away. I don't know, but well, these look like some pretty nice runs over here. I'm on Dreamcatcher. I've never been on this lift. I have no idea where it goes. But anyway, I was struggling over there with that whole carving thing. It was just a mess. It's a little too slushy, a little too rough. My board's not real wide, so I get a lot of toe and heel drag. And if it's a little bit soft, I have a real hard time. So anyway, I'm just gonna go cruising. I mean, nothing wrong with that. So it's just one of those days. It'll be fine either way. I'll run some of these nice runs up here. Look really good. I might have some pretty good luck with these, so I'm gonna give them a shot. You can see right over here. Not those moguls, but back behind that looks like a really nice blue. Probably be a good run. Maybe it'll be a good long run. I've been on this thing for a while and got to get on up there, so might have a pretty good stretch. So. That's some run called Phantasm. It's a black. It's pretty steep. Let's see. Really just kind of cruising, trying to get some of those cool spray shots. The sun behind it. There we go. Problem is, it's a little bit scraped off, and it gets a little icy feeling. You know, but that's part of it, I guess.
Wanna dance, dance.
I've ridden this lift like 2 or 3 times, can't remember, but every time I've been on here I've seen a moose. So this will be the time that I won't, but I'll be ready if I do. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the subscribe and like button. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know what you'd rather see. So anyway, that's it. Look at that swimming pool. That's where I'd like to be right now. That looks nice.